how do you turn university research created by students and faculty in collaboration among 4 colleges, how do you turn that into applied knowledge? Might it be possible to take that applied knowledge out and make it part of a larger project for the state?
One of the things I really like about this project is the student involvement. The initial challenge we gave them to $100,000 in the energy efficiency and the build it in a houseboat plant, hopefully buy as much local products as you can. Those are constraints that a customer would put on a student once they become a professional.
It required you to push further in your concepts. So when you come up with an idea of how you can save energy, it wasn't just, okay, that sounds like a great idea. It was, well, let's make it work, and let's make it work on a budget.
We have now conducted a studio research project every semester for the last 3 years.
Started out with single family residential, now we're looking at multifamily. We're looking at the opportunity of shipping units in containers. We're looking at possibility of doing classrooms for schools that are better than benchmarks. All of these are projects that are supposed to leverage beyond the traditional modular.
The benefit to the students is a book that documents every step that they've taken along the way, and so they're engaging in a project at a deeper level than they have in any other studios. When they graduate, they can take this book to just about any office in the country and say, this is what I know how to do.
They're looking at projects that are designed around the world with new materials, new techniques. We have the equipment here to rapidly prototype and create designs with 3D printers and quickly test out scenarios.
The computer programs they used, 3D modeling, the energy performance, all those things are critical to offices, and a lot of people that are in the profession right now don't have those skills.
You create a prototype of a design, and then you refine it, and you create another, and you refine it. And what the students are beginning to understand and to see and to learn is that prototyping process itself is the way in which innovation occurs.
The first one's never perfect, the second one's never perfect, and the third one's not going to be perfect. So the more that they construct and the more that we test the system in an academic environment, the better performance you're going to get from each unit. That performance is hopefully going to exponentially increase as the studio continues to run and as the prototypes continue to be built.
In almost every sense, this project really is a prototype itself for where I would like, and I think a lot of our faculty would like to see the college go. Partners inside the university, partners outside the university, working very closely with our students and faculty in engagement, and then translating all of that into products and into services that give back to the Commonwealth. That's what College of Design really has an ambition to do, and I think that's what the university has an ambition to do.